Alrighty, it's been a while. So, opening one of these boosters, the Outlaws of Thunder Junction. Yeah, Western. Let's get into it. Let me open this. Open this one. It was weird. Alright. See what this one holds. Alright. Got the one at Griffin. Outlaws Fury. Oh, that's cool. Cactarantula. Regular ones are scary. Cactus. Okay. Mourner's Surprise. Sterling Hound. Spineless Paladin. Rattleback Apothecary. It's like a Medusa. Shepherd of the Cloud. Nice. Tomb Trawler. Requisition Raid. Spiral Bluff Canal. Alright, we got one of these Abrupt Decay. That looks cool. Got a Treasure Dredger. Nice. Forlorn Flats and Night Card. Cool. The Unrepentant. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I got. Outlaws of Thunder Junction. Pretty cool.